Microsoft Dynamics 365 F&O. Functional training. Okay, so just bear with me for 2-3 minutes. Okay, not 2-3 minutes, at least 10 minutes. Just I will introduce what I'm going to teach and everything. Okay, after that, if anyone have any questions, we'll discuss. Okay, let me explain about what I'm going to teach you. Okay, the first one is I'm a functional expert, but not a technical expert. I have total 25 years of experience. Okay, you can mute yourself, please, for time being. Give me a minute. Okay, so please mute yourself, everyone. After my discussion, if you really want, yes, you can unmute and you can ask me any number of questions. First, let me explain you about 10-15 minutes. 10-15 minutes I will speak. After that, you can unmute and you can speak. Fine. So Microsoft Dynamics 365 F&O functional training. I'm expert in functional only. I have total 25 years of experience. Okay, in that 8 years I worked in another ERPs. In Microsoft Dynamics from last 17 years I have experience. From last 13 years I'm providing training. Okay, I'm providing training from last 13 years. So I started providing training in 2013, 12, 13, almost 13 only I started. Fine. So I'm not a technical expert, I'm a functional expert only. Fine. If you want to learn this application, what are the skills required? Okay, if I want to learn this application, what are the skills required? Okay, the first one is you need to have domain knowledge, functional knowledge or domain knowledge. This is first most important if you want to learn this application. What do you mean by domain knowledge or functional knowledge? Means if you have questions like what, where, when, which, and why. If you have questions, the answer is functional knowledge. That means real-time scenarios. Any topic I will discuss with you with real-time scenarios only. Every topic, whenever I'm teaching, how it will be used in the real life time, you need to understand. Then next step is Dynamics 365 F&O, how to operate.
రోజు ఈ టైంలో ఇక్కడ కింద అయినా ఉంటాయి ఉండగా.
Can you mute yourself, please? Please don't mind. Okay, fine. How to operate? This is second skill. Next one is little bit technical knowledge. Little bit technical knowledge. And then next one is ERP concepts. ERP concepts. Then some interview techniques. Along with this one, if you want to become a finance expert, then you need to learn, you need to have commerce knowledge. Commerce knowledge. Here in this commerce knowledge, I'm not going to teach you all accounting knowledge in your studies like CEC, MEC, BCom, BBA, MBA, MCom. No, I'm going to teach you the difference between debit and credit. what is debit and what is credit. You should know. Suppose you don't know what is this debit and what is this credit. At least you should know the difference between positive and negative. Then only you can learn finance. If you are confusion about this mathematics, like suppose example minus 85 plus 63, what is the value? Minus 85 plus 63. Then you should know about it is minus 22. Then you can learn this debit and credit. If you don't know the difference between positive and negative, you cannot learn finance. Okay. So all these skills, if you want to learn, okay, 10th standard is enough. 10th standard knowledge is enough, okay, to learn these things. And I will teach you all these things. I'll teach you all these things. Okay, all these skills I will teach you. Now, on top of that, if you want to get a job, you need to have, the first one is good communication skills. Okay, you have to have good communication skills. If you don't have communication skills, I cannot improve. It is not possible from my side. And education qualification. Okay, education qualification. Suppose company is asking BCom or MBA, then it is they are specific to the education. I cannot change your education. That is, some companies may ask BCom, some companies may ask it is irrespective of your education. They will take the experience. That depends. Okay, if you want to join in Infosys, you have to have above 60%. Then only will get into Infosys. Otherwise, they will not allow you to join in that company. So I cannot change those things. Next, attending live sessions regularly. Practice with the system and discuss with your colleagues. What you learn. So these skills are in my hand. I will make sure you are going to learn this application. These skills are in your hand. You need to do these things. If you are not attending the live session, I can't do anything. If you are not practicing the system, I can't do. You need to discuss. Whatever you are learning, you need to explain to the opposite persons. Make a group discussions, anyone. Because whatever you are listening through your ears and it is recorded in your mind, and you need to express your knowledge through your mouth. Okay, so that communication is required. Fine. So next one is the session will be Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday. It will be 7:30 p.m. IST to 8:30 p.m. IST every day. Monday to Friday. Okay, and this will be around 9 to 10 weeks. 9 to 10 weeks. The session will be 9 to 10 weeks. Sometimes it may be extended to 11th week or 12th week. That is not in my control. If attendance, like whoever is attending, if the people are asking many questions, I am ready to extend it. Okay, it will be completely depending on you. Because in 5th week or 6th week, you are going to practice in the new company, new legal entity. Those things you need to, everyone need to practice, and you need to come back to me with your errors. You need to showcase I'm doing this one, like step 1, step 2, step 3. I'm getting error messages. You need to showcase that error messages to me. Then I need to resolve those things. So that is the reason starting date I can give you, end date I will never give because it is not in my control. End date is completely on your people, whoever is attending. Okay, fine. And whenever I'm teaching, I will teach first transactions, then masters, then setups, next parameters, configurations and parameters. Okay, then once you understood all these things, then after some time, I will create legal entity, new legal entity, then parameters, setups and configurations in that company, masters, and then transactions. Okay, so this is top to bottom, this is bottom to top. I will teach you both sides, top to bottom and bottom to top. Okay, top to bottom and bottom to top. So whenever I'm teaching, you need to learn blue color, yellow color, and red color. Whenever you are doing a transaction, you will get these messages. Like blue color means successfully completed. Completed successfully. That you need to learn. Next, you need to learn warning messages. You need to understand these warning messages and you need to act on that one. Next, error messages. So you need to learn both sides. Both sides you need to learn. Okay. This is about my session. Now you can unmute yourself, please, and you can ask me any questions. You can discuss with me any questions. This is not for technical. I'm not technical expert. I want to be very much clear. I'm in functional only. Yes, please.
Yeah, Satya, actually for the technical sessions, when will be started? When it will be started for the technical thing?
For technical means you can approach Amar. Amar has posted one already. So I'm not expert in technical. So after this this session, do you have my number, Abhishek?
Yeah, Satya.
Okay, you can ping me. I will give you some other technical trainer information. You can check with that guy. I'm not a technical expert. I'm a functional expert only. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Any more questions, please?
This is Chanel. Hi, Satya. This is Chanel from Dubai.
Yeah, Shanil.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, all good.
Doing
all
good,
good.
doing good. Yeah. Tell me now.
Satya,
Yeah.
I want to know. Yeah, Satya, I want to know. We are going to cover that, F&O, right? The complete finance module.
Yes.
So what are the
Yes.
modules? What are the main modules like?
Fine.
Is that cover
Fine.
accounts payable, account receivable, staff receivable, fixed
Yeah.
assets, and general ledger?
Yeah.
So what are the things we are going to cover?
Sure. So one is general ledger.
Okay.
General ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable,
Okay.
cash and bank management, fixed assets,
Okay.
taxation, credit and collections,
Oh.
consolidation, and budgeting.
Okay.
All these
And what about the
and few things like item model group, item group, matching policies, prepayment invoices. This I'll teach you both. Meaning here, as I told you, around 9 to 10 weeks. So after 4 weeks, you need to join 7:30 to 9:30.
Okay. Till the time.
So this is actually like the session will be 7:30 to 8:30 finance and 8:30 to 9:30 SCM.
Okay, supply chain.
Yeah, 8:30 to 9:30 is supply chain management, trade and logistics.
Okay.
So 2 weeks after this one, like fifth week, fifth and sixth week, I will combine both finance and SCM.
Okay. So it's basically going to
So
cover
that
the whatever the financial impact going to happen in SCM, correct?
because item model group is a part of SCM. In item model group,
Yeah.
there is a FIFO, LIFO weighted average. All these are
Okay.
SCM, supply chain management. I need to teach you finance also.
Correct. And the
That is
system
the
is going to follow the WAC, weighted average cost, location level or company level.
So taxation, if you are asking about taxation, I will teach you the standard application, but not
No, my question was regarding that weighted average cost. So when we set up in the SCM, the weighted average cost, we are going to manage company level or location level, cost center level.
It is at item level.
It is
FIFO
item
or
level.
LIFO or weighted average, item level only.
Okay, let's say one company
Item
has
level.
two warehouse, and the one warehouse they make a mistake. So the WAC will impact all company level or only that warehouse. In other words, we have two cost center. Okay. One cost center is one warehouse and one cost center is another warehouse. So one employee make a mistake. Instead of 10 dirham, they make 100 dirham. So VAT is completely changed, right? In one warehouse. So my question is, it will affect the whole company or it will affect only that warehouse?
So you are talking about VAT. VAT means it is weighted average?
Yeah, exactly.
Weighted average. So that depending upon the setup, if you are using like a cost price at a warehouse level, then it will impact at warehouse level only.
Okay, so we can set up accordingly, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
And from my side, I will conclude now. I want to know the supply chain, the complete module functional. What are the functional? What are the setups, masters, transaction? And I want to know the finance also. This is my concern.
In supply chain management, I will cover procurement and sourcing, sales and marketing, product information management, inventory management, bill of material, inventory costing, that is FIFO, LIFO weighted average, intercompany stock transfer, master plan.
Okay, all right.
Up to this one.
And what about the production? What about the production?
Engineering change. Yeah. Engineering change management is a new module. I'm teaching this one also recently. Okay, this one.
Okay.
So in supply chain management, this is trade and logistics. Okay. And if you want manufacturing, it is a separate session. It is Saturday, Sunday. It is a separate session.
Okay,
Each
the
circle has
manufacturing module
different
can
time
be able
zones.
to manage. Yeah. Can I ask you one thing? The manufacturing module can be able to manage F&B industry like the food and beverage, like the catering industry.
Come again, please.
In manufacturing module, can be able to manage F&B industry, food and beverage. Let's say I have one big central kitchen. So I want to manage the production of the central kitchen. So can we able to manage using the manufacturing module?
This can we discuss in this session. Now it is not, it is out of scope here. So now the session is for these two. Okay, we'll discuss this one whenever I'm starting new batch, I'll publish in the one and we'll discuss about these because if you are going to deep dive on this area, it will be completely deviation. So can we discuss this one on whenever I'm starting new batch? Not now, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's fine. Yeah, that's completely fine.
Yeah.
And we will get a demo company setup, right?
See this one, this is here, company creation process.
Okay.
This is I'm going to teach in combined session for both
Okay.
batches. So it is a company
Okay.
setup only. Because if I
Okay.
create a new
So we will,
company, then it is yeah.
so
Yeah.
we will get
Proceed.
we will get a application for practice, and to do the transaction, to test the financial impact. We will get a dummy company, right, for practicing section.
So I'm showing you this in my system. See, like
Okay.
if you look at this one, this is the sample data.
Okay.
Okay, here B141 I have created a company.
Okay.
B149 I have created a company. This is created by me.
Okay.
So in this company I will do all the setups, whatever it is
Okay.
required. So
All
that
right.
is new legal entity setups. Is it clear?
Right. Definitely.
Yeah. Fine.
Yes. Hi,
Any more questions, please?
sir. Actually,
Yeah.
I don't have financial and accounting knowledge.
Okay. Yeah. Is it Venkat or Narendra?
Prasanna. Actually, it's showing in the
Venkat
laptop
Krishna?
Venkat, but my name is Lakshmi Prasanna.
Okay, fine. Yeah, Lakshmi Prasanna. Proceed.
Yeah. Actually, I don't have any financial and accounting knowledge. So, will you teach from basic things?
Yes. So, see, I'm not going to teach you
Is it
entire
suitable
commerce
for me?
knowledge. Yeah,
Sorry.
see, there are many people learn from me which they don't have any commerce knowledge, but they learned about these debits and credits also, and they become a finance functional expert. Okay, so it is completely how you are going to practice, and you are joining the live session and practice. That is completely depending on depending on your hard work. But I will teach you about the difference between debits and credits. See, I cannot make you accountant. If you want to join as an accountant, you need to have so much commerce knowledge. Okay. Yeah.
Because I came from science background. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah, 1 second. Let me remove this person because they are unmuting and they are coming back to me. Okay, tell me now. Yes,
I
please.
came from
Lakshmi
science
Prasad.
background. That is the reason I'm asking. Your name is
Okay.
Abdul or Satyanarayana, right?
Yes. This is Satya. Actually, like my name is Satyanarayana, but people call me Satya because it is my name is pronouncing from across the globe. Then, like people will not pronounce properly. That is the reason I made my name as Satya. Okay, but
How
my full
many
name is
days?
Satyanarayana.
Okay.
Yeah, proceed.
How many days it will take time to complete this course?
So it is around 10 weeks, 9 to 10 weeks.
Will you
Okay,
teach
roughly
finance
2.5.
and both SPM, right? 2.5
See,
months.
I will teach. Yeah. No. See, this is one course. 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 You cannot learn all these things. It is impossible. So if you are learning finance, it is 7:30 to 8:30. If you are attending for supply chain management, it is 8:30 to 9:30. Trade and logistics. If you are interested to learn manufacturing, it is different, but you cannot learn now. If you want to join also, I will not allow you because you don't know about anything. First, it is all these two. Because see, if you want to become a finance expert, first you will learn finance. Next, you need to learn SCM, trade and logistics. Next, you need to learn PMA. That is this three. Means first this one, next second one this one, third one is this one. If you want to become a SCM expert, thus first you need to learn this one. Later you can learn this one, or you can learn this one. Either these two are independent, any way you can learn. These all one person cannot learn all together. It is impossible. So anyone can start finance, or can start with the trade and elastics, or finance and SCM together. These two also they can start. Later on, they can extend their knowledge. So
Which one
these two
is
are.
better?
See, always the demand for finance is around 60 to 65%. This demand is around 40 to 45%. Okay,
SCM,
suppose
trade and
as I told
logistics.
you, Yes, yeah. So if, as I told you, if you are not clear about this plus and minus, you don't know about plus and minus, no need to join for finance. No, you can join for
Yes,
supply
okay.
chain management or elastics. If you are clear about mathematics, yes, you can learn because debit means positive, credit means negative. How to remember that, you know, if you understood, that is more enough. So if you are still confusion about whether I need to join for this one or this one, so whenever like next 2-3 days, you can join for both. Anyhow, I will give I will allow people to join at least 2-3 sessions free of cost. Then they can decide whether I can learn this one or together. Yeah, whether I have
Okay.
given answer to your questions.
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. Any more questions, please?
Hello, hi sir. I'm Rafi.
Satya,
I have
Yeah. Rafi, yeah,
Satya,
please.
I have experience
I
in
just want to ask regarding
marketing
the
and sales
offline
till
classes.
2023, and after
Shashank,
that,
who is?
yeah.
Hmm. 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 Proceed,
I
proceed.
have a MBA
Hmm.
degree in marketing, and I have
Hmm.
experience in sales and marketing for approx 3 years. And my last
Okay.
working was in 2023.
Hmm.
So, what are the scopes if I join now this course?
Okay. So when you have completed your MBA?
2020.
Shashank? 2020. Okay. So you can
2020.
learn this finance. Yeah. So you can learn this one. See, I'm telling you very frankly, I'm not giving you any job guarantee from my side. That is not my scope. I can make sure you are going to learn this subject with 3 years of experience knowledge. You can gain 3 years of experience knowledge about this one. I'm not giving you job guarantee, but people are joining my sessions because with that one, they're able to gain the knowledge and they are succeeding in the getting a job and those things. Okay, so I can deliver knowledge to you around 3 years of experience. Knowledge I can show, I can deliver. It is up to you, you know, to how much you are going to gain from me. Okay.
But if there is a gap in my like working experience, so if that problem can be solved or not.
So, Shashank, we can discuss like you can ping me one to one. I will guide you separately if you have some
Yeah,
different
sure.
way. Yeah, you can ping
Yeah,
me
sure.
in WhatsApp. In WhatsApp.
Can I reach you tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow evening. Tomorrow morning I have some personal work. Evening or Saturday. Saturday onwards, you can call me on Saturday. You can ping me on Saturday. I'll discuss with you. Yeah.
Okay, sure,
Fine.
sure.
Fine. Any more questions, please?
Yeah, Satya, I want to know the pricing for the course, and I
Sorry.
want your personal number also.
So
I
I did
want to
not
know
get
the
your
course
voice
pricing,
clear.
and can you able to hear me now?
Price. Yeah. But there is little
Hello.
bit noise. Yeah. Tell me now. Yeah. Tell me now.
Okay, I want to know the course pricing, and I want your personal number also, because I'm not a basic student, because I know the ERP system, how it is working.
Hmm.
It's only matter of
Hmm.
to know the how the Microsoft Dynamics, the workflow and
Hmm.
everything. Because I am already
Okay.
working in Oracle Delio and
Hmm.
SAP HANA, so I
Hmm.
know the system. But I want to know the
Hmm.
Microsoft Dynamics in a very from the basic to advanced. So I
Sure.
want to
Sure.
have a separate section, because if you are going with the basic, most of
Hmm.
things maybe I don't need that. So
Hmm.
you need to find a solution for that one.
Understood. So you can ping me on my WhatsApp. I will discuss about that one, Shanil.
Okay,
Yeah.
I will coordinate with your team, and I will take a number,
Yeah.
and we can have a different section
Sure.
for that one.
Sure. Definitely.
Okay, Satya, thank you for your
Definitely.
time. I'm
You're
leaving now.
welcome.
Okay.
No
Okay, then.
problem.
Sir,
Thank you
You're
so
can
much.
you
welcome.
give your WhatsApp
See
number?
you.
Can we connect personally with you?
So, like Lakshmi Prasanna, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Lakshmi Prasanna, you got number from which institute?
Vijay
So
Veda Institute.
yeah. So Vijay will connect with us. Okay, I will. He will arrange a conference call. Then we can discuss.
Okay.
Okay. So you can check with Vijay. Like he will arrange a conference call. Then we'll discuss those things. Yeah. Please
Okay.
don't mind.
Okay.
Fine. Fine. Anything else, team? Any more questions, please? Yeah. Any more questions? Okay, no questions. So let me introduce about how to learn this application. Okay, give me a second. Look at this diagram. So you are going to get a job in software company. So once you get a job in software company, that software company is also called, example like Accenture, TCS, Infosys, Hitachi. There are so many companies in the market. It's a big companies, small companies also. There are many companies. Once you get a job, you are going to join in a software company. That company is called Microsoft Partner Company. This company is called Microsoft Partners Company. So now you are going to work for a project. So your friends will speak like, have you allocated project? Have you allocated project? So that means for you, it is a project. For this company, it is called client. For this company, it is a client. So any company, what they will do? They will purchase the material. They will sell the material. They will purchase the material and they will sell the material. So purchasing and sales. So for this, you need to learn purchase process and sales process. So this is supply chain management. SCM, trade and logistics supply chain management. This is related to supply chain management. Now, for this purchase, you are paying money because you are purchasing from vendor organizations. Here, there are 4 organizations are there. One is software company, another one is called client, and these are called vendors, and these are called customers. So vendors also companies. These are also companies, and these are also companies. Okay, now if you want to learn any ERP, you need to imagine rather than here, you need to imagine here. Means you need to imagine you are running a business. Then you can learn this application. Not only Microsoft Dynamics, any ERP, whether it is a Tally, SAP, Oracle Apps, any ERP, if you want to learn this application, you need to imagine you are running a business. So you are purchasing and you are selling. So for this purchase, you need to pay money to the vendor. That is payable. Because you need to pay money to the vendor companies. And you are receiving money from the customers, receivable. So you are going to learn accounts payable module, accounts receivable module. And if you want to do payment or receipt, then we need bank. So you are going to learn cash and bank management. And then you are going to learn general ledger. In the general ledger, you are going to understand what is the profit, how much you are getting profit, those things you can understand from here. And you are going to learn tax module also and consolidation. Fixed assets also you need to learn budgeting and credit and collections. So all these modules you are going to learn in finance. In finance, you are going to learn accounts payable, accounts receivable, cash and bank, general ledger, taxes, consolidation, fixed assets, budgeting, credit and collection. So these are 9 sub modules you are going to learn in this session. Okay, fine. Any more questions till now? Any more questions?
Like I was watching your first demo video on YouTube. So you were saying that we have to like purchase a software for practice.
Yes, yes. For that, if you want, you can approach me. I will give you one person number. He will charge around 2000 rupees and he will install in your laptops. Because if you want to
Okay.
practice, you need to have environment application. For that, he will charge 2000 rupees. You can ping me. I will give you that person number. You can get it. Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Microsoft Dynamics separately, that one separately will charge us, sir.
So because that is this application should be installed in your laptops, in the personal laptops. If you want to practice here, you need to have a laptop. Am I right? So for that, I'm not expert in that area. One of the person I will give you person number. He will install in your laptops. Yeah. Any more questions? Any more questions?
Hi, sir. This is nothing. I
Yeah,
have
sure. Proceed.
1 year of you.
So, Mohammed, if you don't mind, can you mute yourself? Yeah, speak now. Yeah, I made mute. Yeah. Yes, please. It is 433. Someone is speaking. Praveen.
Yes, sir. I am Navin.
Yeah.
I have
can I know your name? Yeah.
Yeah, Navin. Navin. I have 1 year experience in accounts executive. What are the advantages?
One second. See, some other people are also speaking parallelly. Let me mute. Okay. Yeah. Who is this?
Yes.
That 433. Can I know your name, please?
Yeah, I am Navin Kumar, sir.
Navin Kumar. Okay. Navin, so you have as an experience as a accountant, am I right?
Yes, accounts executive.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. So
If
means whenever I'm explaining, you can learn this one quickly than when compared with other persons. That is one advantage. So execution, that is completely depending upon your capability, how you are going to execute. But like whatever I'm explaining, the examples, you can grasp whatever I'm explaining very fastly because you are already working as a accountant, as a business user. It is called in technology, you are a business user.
yes, sir,
Okay.
exactly.
Whenever you are working with the system, Naveen, so at that time, whenever you are working with the system, you are getting error messages. Sometimes you are getting some problems. Then what are you doing?
I will approach to the admin.
Admin. Some technical people, am I right? Some people. That role you are going to do now.
Okay, sure.
Means your role is like you are approaching admin or someone else. Then that person is coming to you and they are verifying and they are trying to help you and assist you. Am I right? That role you are going to play here. Got it? Yeah.
Yeah, yes, sir. Got it.
Yeah. Yeah, Praveen,
Sir,
if you want, you can speak. Yeah, yes, please.
Will
Proceed.
you give
Let me
real-time knowledge or only
see, the
technology
first
wise
point
will
is
you?
this one. Whenever I'm
No,
teaching, the first point
on the
is
middle of
domain
I
knowledge or
joined,
functional
sir.
knowledge. Yeah, no, that's fine. So domain knowledge or functional knowledge. That is the first one. Every topic I will start with the real-time scenarios only. Every topic.
Okay.
Because I have total 25 years of experience. My entire experience I'm going to teach you.
Because after
Clear?
entering the job, it is too difficult to manage. I think the supporting also, is it mandatory if you with this with this your
that's what
teaching.
Lakshmi Prasanna. So for that you can ask your Vijay to have a conference call. I will resolve that one. So I'm not going to help you one-to-one. I'm going to teach the entire team members. So for that you can arrange, you can ask your Vijay to arrange a conference call. I will give you clarifications. Okay. Any more questions, please?
I could not get your shared screen.
Sorry?
I'm not getting your sharing screen.
I'm sharing already.
No, I'm not getting it.
So let me stop and I'm sharing again. Are you able to see my screen now?
Yeah, now I'm getting it. Previously, you showed the 9 domains
This
in the
one.
finance. I want to. Yeah. I want to take that.
Yeah.
Not this one, sir. That you explained about SCM and finance in detail. Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Thank you.
So whenever I'm explaining, I will take like this diagram and I will explain you. Okay. This is the way I'm going to teach you for everyone. Okay. So if I am explaining with the help of picture, then you can understand easily. Okay. Any more questions, please? Any more questions? No more questions? Okay. So let me get into application. So if you don't have any questions, I will go to like the session, actual session. See, look at this one diagram, vendor invoice, because you are receiving material means vendor invoice, vendor payment, customer invoice, customer payment. So you need to learn 4 transactions in the system. You need to learn 4 transactions. What are those 4? One, vendor invoice, vendor payment, customer invoice, customer payment. These 4 transactions you need to learn. Not only Microsoft Dynamics, any application if you want to learn, these 4 transactions you need to learn. So in the system, vendor invoice can be done in how many ways? One is invoice journal. Second, purchase order to invoice. Third one, pending vendor invoice. Fourth one, invoice register. Fifth one, invoice approval journal. Invoice pool. Next, PO to invoice using advanced warehouse management. PO to invoice using TMS, transportation management system. PO to invoice using landed cost module. PO to invoice using project management and accounting. So vendor invoice can be done in all these ways. Vendor invoice can be done in different ways, all these ways. These 6 methods are in finance you are going to learn. These 6 methods you are going to learn in finance. Okay, so vendor payment, of course, 2 methods, that is very less. Okay, it is fine. Now customer invoice, how many ways we can do? One is free text invoice. Next, sales order to invoice. Next, our journal to invoice in PMA, project management accounting. Next, item journal to invoice in PMA, project management accounting. Next, fee journal, our journal, expense journal, item journal is expense journal. Next, fee journal. Next, item requirement. In PMA. Next, sales order to invoice using WMS, Advanced Warehouse Management. Sales order to invoice using TMS. One more, sales order to invoice using TMA. These are the different ways we can do invoicing. Okay, so all these 6 you are going to learn in this session. Okay, these 4 I will give you high level picture because these 3 are part of here. And PMA is part of here. So these 4 you are going to learn high level picture, but these 6 you are going to learn in depth. So whenever you are learning, you need to understand once again the question here. Why we are learning this one, where we can use it. Okay, what is the purpose of this one? That questions you need to understand. So the real-time scenarios. Every topic I will go with real-time scenarios. Okay, this is the way you are going to learn this functionality. Fine. So whenever I'm teaching, I will teach from the basics to top level, basics to top level. So it will take much time. Okay, but I will teach you from the basics to how to reach this area. The way I will teach you. Fine. So actually, whenever I'm starting this batch, immediately it will be continued tomorrow and after tomorrow like this. But unfortunately, I have some personal work. So on 10th we'll continue. Once again, the 10th, from 10th onwards, it will be continuous without any break. The same link will work on 10th also. You can join on 10th and it will be continuous. So 10th and 11th, the same links, but to 12th, the link will be changed. 10 and 12, the same link will be there. You can join on 10th November, whoever is interested. Okay. And if anyone would like to speak with me, you can ping me one-to-one. Otherwise, if you come through institutes, you can ask your institute to arrange a conference call. I will discuss with you one-to-one. Now, I think you have supply chain management link also. Let us join for supply chain management. Another link, that is supply chain management. Let us join for that link, supply chain management. Okay, fine. I'm stopping here now. Whoever is having like supply chain management, even if you are interested or not interested, you can join the session free of cost. What is the problem? Okay, let us join that SCM. See you all.
At what time, sir? Same time. Today 8:30, right?
Yeah, now it is. Now I'm going to. Now it is 3-4 minutes only. I'm going to getting into that link.
And
Yeah,
before
8:30.
10,
Yeah.
sir, only November 10th will start.
Yeah.
Session will start.
Yeah, November 10th, because I have some personal work this week. This is suddenly unfortunate, because when I planned on 30th, like 2 weeks before, at that time I don't have that personal work. Now I need to go for some other personal work. So that is the reason I will continue, because I need to continue on tomorrow and Monday. But unfortunately, there is a personal work. So that is the reason this 1 week I'm postponing, and 10th we will join, and it will be continuous. Without any break, it will be continued.
Okay, before 10th, not possible.
Not possible, because I have some personal works.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, let us join for supply chain management session now. You can leave the call and join that session. Supply chain management. Could you please share the link? Okay, 1 second. Let me share in that case.
Share the link, sir.
Yeah, I'm sharing. You can copy from here. 1 second, not this one. Minute. Yeah, you can join this link. Once I exit, you cannot get it access. Try to copy now immediately. Okay. Okay, fine. Let us join for supply chain management session.